Hey everyone, Craig here from Man Cave Sports Cards again. Saturday afternoon, the Calgary-Pittsburgh game is on right now. So I figured what better time than to rip a box of 0910 SP Authentic. The last time I ripped a box of this product, I pulled this granddaddy of hockey cards. A Wayne Gretzky Immortal Ink. 6 out of 10, yeah, you see that right. So that's the last time I ripped the box, that's what I hit. So chances are good, I'm not going to have that good of luck again, but you never know. When the horseshoe is there, see what happens. I'm going to go through this really fast, you guys, because there's 24 packs in the box. So let's do this. Sam Gagner. Okay, so Simon Gagner, Sign of the Times. First pack, one autograph. Next pack, pack 2. This pack's from Nikolai Kumlin, Decoy, Thomas Vokoun. Chris Versteeg, Pavel Datsyuk. Josh Bailey. Oh, nice. A Steve Yzerman Holo Effects. It's pretty sweet. And base. Steve Yzerman autograph. That would be pretty sweet, too. This was the first year in a long time that he came back and did autographs for Upper Deck. So his hits are pretty valuable this year. Oh, Kiprusoff just robbed somebody on the Pittsburgh. Ovechkin. Pavel Datsyuk. SP Essentials. Base. Franzen. Oh! You know, I thought that was a Tavares, guys, but it's not. It's an Andrew McDonald Future Watch rookie auto, number 2/999. New York Islanders. I saw that. I thought it was a Tavares. Decoy. Jonathan Toews. Base. Crosby. Base. Lots of base in this product. It's definitely a neat product to build if you want to build sets. So I only had a couple autos, so I should for sure have another autograph. Here's a Marty Turco SP Essentials. Nathan Horn, Paul Correa, Thomas Caberlet. Should be a few more rookies in here too. Patrick Elias, Danny Haley, and Ryan Getzlaf Holo Effects. So neat cards. Milan Hedjuk, Sam Gagner. Oh, Mike Santorelli, Future Watch. Got his number on the signature there, number 18. That's alright. Nikolai Kulemin, SP Essentials, Roberto Luongo, Decoy. Brad Richards, base. Green, Stamkos, another SP Essential. Martin St. Louis. Base. A Karen Lee Gartner, the Champions auto. She's, I guess, a downhill skier. Trading card for Karen Lee Gartner. I guess she must be an Olympic athlete. It's kind of neat. I've seen these on other box breaks. I've never actually had one myself, so there we go. That's a bonus autograph. You're only supposed to have 3 autos a box, so hit 4 up so far. Base, base, base. Base, base, base. And Pittsburgh just scored again. And a Matthew Perreault Future Watch. That's it, guys. Box is empty. Thanks for watching. Have a good Saturday.